what's up guys? My name is Arabella. Welcome back to Tea Totally Random. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime bubbles, and yeah. So first things first, this is actually my favorite slime. I love it. It's a pretty sequin one, and I love it. It's just my favorite one. So I'm gonna be just showing you guys how to make bubbles and how much I like my slime. So first, for bubbles, you're gonna make it into like a nice flat circle because it's gonna work better if you do that. So, here you go. So first, you're just gonna pull it forward like this. Put your thumb like this, and then pull it back. Then flip it like that, and then you got a bubble. So you can also like pop them. I like popping them and making them because I love it. It's really fun. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.